Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "this experience is not accessible because it is unrated" error on Roblox. This message usually appears when you try to join a Roblox experience that hasn't been assigned an official content rating by its developer. Roblox recently introduced a content maturity system that assigns ratings such as all ages, 9 plus and 13 plus to experiences on the platform. If the experience you're trying to play doesn't have a content rating, Roblox may automatically block access for accounts that are registered as under 13 years old. This restriction is part of Roblox's safety system to help protect younger users from accessing unrated content. To check your account settings, sign in to Roblox and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select settings to open your account settings page. Check the age associated with your Roblox account. If your account is registered as under 13, Roblox will automatically restrict access to certain games, including some unrated experiences. If you accidentally entered the wrong birth date when creating your Roblox account, it's important to know that Roblox does not allow users to manually change their age after the account has been created. If the birth date on your account is incorrect and you cannot access the experiences you want to play, you may need to create a new Roblox account using your correct date of birth. That's all you need to know about fixing the "this experience is not accessible because it is unrated" error on Roblox. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.